Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Servicenow dev instance, an account with API or admin rights, and the REST API Explorer plugin enabled. Once those are ready, log in and open the REST API Explorer from the Application Navigator. You need to select the API or table resource you plan to query. This sets the base URL and available methods. Make sure to choose Get First to preview available fields and responses, so you know what the API. Now you construct the call, pick the method, get to retrieve, post to create, put to update, delete to remove, and populate the resource path. Add query parameters like sysparm query and sysparm limit to shape results, and set headers such as accept and content type. Authenticate using basic OAuth or a token, input credentials, and retest. Once done, send the request and inspect the JSON response, looking at field names and payload structure, so your downstream code maps correctly. Finish by validating request payloads and saving a working example you can reuse. When updating, use the record sysID and ensure required fields are present. When creating, check response 201 for success. If you hit errors, read the HTTP status code and response body. 401 means auth, 400 invalid data, 404 wrong endpoint. Once done, enable system logs or the REST message log for more detail and retry with minimal parameters to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.